happy to be here with you, hosted by Airbus in this show, showing our fantastic, I would say, even if I'm of course partisan in this affirmation, our livery here in Farnborough. We are operating mainly transatlantic, actually all the transatlantic routes with rotation. We have Los Angeles and Buenos Aires, which can be operated only by the 350, but we are rotating the 350 also on JFK, on Boston, on Sao Paulo. So North America and South America are in this moment our long-haul connections, and this is where we operate the 350. It's an extremely positive feedback, I have to be honest, both for the internal people and our customers. Internal people are enthusiastic. I mean, all the pilots and captains we trained to operate the 350. Just imagine that to allow our pilots to operate the 350, we managed to fly for 3-4 weeks, between 10 and 12 times a day, landing and takeoff, landing and takeoff, landing and taking off, to allow all our pilots to be certified in less than 3 weeks. We operated an average of 280 flights or something like that. Pilots are enthusiastic, our crew are enthusiastic because they see customers to be extremely happy when they are on board. The aircraft is very smooth, is very quiet, is very silent. The atmosphere where you are accustomed to is a much lower altitude theoretical than the other aircraft. It gives an extremely, you're better than me in this because you are Airbus, so you know better than me, but from a customer perspective, these values are extremely appreciated because of the comfort of flying on this aircraft, so extremely positive feedback for sure.